our hero is turning this giant fish into a whole feast. First, he rubs salt on the skin to stop that stickiness.
Time for pumpkin rice. Just toss it right in the pressure cooker.
Saute some ginger and get those fillets searing skin side down yee.
Don't forget the sides. Someone in the kitchen clearly has allergies though. He is using every part of the fish for a rich herbal soup.
Everything is coming together perfectly. That pumpkin rice looks so vibrant and orange. Final reveal, steamed bass and soup. They are going to be so full.
Welcome to my channel. Today, this eukomia and 4 herbs fish soup is very nourishing. It's a classic postpartum medicinal cuisine. It combines the blood-nourishing and period-regulating siwu with the tendon-strengthening and kidney-boosting duzong. Plus, the high-quality protein of the sea bass is perfect for new mothers recovering from postpartum weakness. First, wash the fish clean. I will use the fish head and bones to stew with medicinal herbs, and the meat will be fried directly to eat, okay?
好，接下来处理这条金目鱼。好了，肥类好了，鱼的肥类在这里。 表皮抹一点点盐，把表皮的黏膜去掉。鱼头跟鱼骨头、鱼尾巴已经放到汤里面去煮了，所以今天有个鱼汤好喝哦。漂亮的鱼，姜不要。 出来，香味已经出来了。
从边边沿着边边放，因为中间比较热。小块的放边边。
这块最大块。
Next, let's cook a simple and nutritious pot of chestnut and pumpkin rice. It helps postpartum women boost their immunity and relieve common constipation problems.
好，我们现在洗了一锅米，然后在米上面放到南瓜。这是我们刚切的南瓜哦。我们今天要来煮一锅南瓜饭。 按到 rice 的地方，然后它就开始煮啦。OK， 通常大概10几分钟就好了。好，我们看看煮出来效果怎么样。第一次用这种 instant cook 煮饭啊。
Then fry some tofu and stir fry some broccoli. Remember, keep the flavor light, okay?
好，那 broccoli OK 了。
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell us what's your favorite confinement meal.
也 OK 喽。好香，好香。鸡肉鲈鱼 ，broccoli， 来，香煎南瓜饭，哇哦！ 这是我们的金目鲈鱼汤。
So far, every postpartum and herbal meal we've prepared for our daughter has had the expected results, and my daughter loves eating every meal completely. In this video, there's even more confinement meals we've prepared for our daughter. Please keep watching, don't go away.
OK，现在煮一道简单的青菜，首先就是爆姜了啊。我的产妇要吃的东西就是姜。
If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.